Remember that when we were cutting, when you want to fix for the dart, make sure you turn it like this. This is the front pattern, this is the midpoint, then this is the back pattern too. This is the midpoint. You can see the hip is the bulge that is here. So I'm on the waist side now. So you remember I measured the nipple to nipple is 4 inches and I added ½ inch to it, 4.5. So that is where I will hold my dart for both the back pattern and the front pattern. This is it. So I'll go to the machine now, and the length of the dart is going to be 4 inches. You can also use 4.5 depending on how big the hip is, but I'm using 4 inches. So ½ inch on one side and then ½ inch on the other side. Sorry, I'm using a white chalk so it's not showing much. This is where I'm going to hold it to sew it. So and I will do the same thing for the other part of the back pattern, and I will do it also for the two parts on the front pattern. On this part, then I'll do it also on this part too. So I'm holding 4 darts. That's what I'm going to do now at the machine. Just watch how I sew it. So I'll go and sew the other side too. This is the center. This is from the center of the skirt that I'm measuring the darts. So my 4.5 from here to here, then I'll measure 4 inch down. When you are sewing the dart, make sure the waistline is straight. The same way, I'll go and sew, yes, the 2 darts are set for the front pattern. Then the same way, I'll go and sew the 2 darts on the back patterns. This is the back dart, this is the 4.5. Then I will sew it like a triangle. See it, this is the outcome. So I'm going to go to sew I'll be sewing the second back pattern too. Measure the darts. You know I'm using 4.5 by 4.5. You can see that The skirt is also emerging, is almost done. These are the darts. I've done the darts. Then the last thing I'm doing, the next thing rather I'm doing is I'll go and fix a zipper on the back pattern. Remember, I'm going to leave 8 inches on top for the zip. Then I'll go and join everything that is left. I'm also going to leave, you know, this skirt is going to have a slit at the back. I'm going to leave 17 inches for my slit. 17 inches for my slit. So I'm going to leave 8 inches on top for the zipper. Then I'll sew from the 8 inches down to where my 17 inches reached. Do you understand? So I'm just going to sew in between like this. Don't forget to leave 17 to 19 inches depending on the height of the person. But I'm going to leave 17 for this skirt. Then I'll sew from 8 inches to that 17 inches.